Hey everyone, Tyler here with Game On Fishing. Last week I showed you guys my favorite spinning rod. So this week I thought I'd show everyone how to rig the Perfect Dropshot. So for demonstration purposes, I've got some high-vis line just so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. Now everybody does this a little bit different, but I'll show you guys exactly how I like to do it. First thing you want to do is distinguish how far you want that hook from that weight. Usually I like it to be a little bit longer, but sometimes the fish like it a little shorter, so you'll just have to kind of mess with it and figure out what they want for that day. So first thing I'll do is I'll take my line. I'm going to double it over, and I'm going to take my finesse worm hook, and I'm going to take a loop, go right through the end of that hook. Now for this knot, I'm going to be using a polymer knot. One important thing to remember on this polymer, you don't want to twist this loop or it'll actually ruin the integrity of your line and it could snap on you. So what you want to do is run that loop through that hook, do an overhand knot, and then you'll take that hook, run it back through that loop, and then pull both ends till it's tight. Next thing you'll do is take that tag, run it back through that eye, which will cause that hook to stick straight out. Next you'll take your weight. I've got my 1/2 ounce Wood tungsten drop shot weight, and they've got a really cool little keeper on here. So this keeper is made for if you do get hung, you're not going to lose your whole rig. You'll end up just pulling your weight off and you don't have to re-rig the whole thing. So you take that weight and that line, and you'll run that line right through that keeper and you pull it tight. And I'll cut my tag. And there you have it, the Perfect Dropshot Rig. Thank you guys for tuning in for another episode of Wednesday Weekly Wisdom with Game On Fishing. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Instagram at Game On Fishing, and as always, tight lines and game on.